Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like it's been a minute since I sat down and talked to you guys. Recently, I only posted kind of no talking and just outfit ideas. I feel so excited about today's video. It's in collaboration with one of my favorite jewelry brands called Linjer. They kindly reached out to me and offered me three gorgeous pieces that I'll be showing you in this video. But before that, let me talk a little about their brand. It's actually a female founded brand and their focus is on minimal, dainty, simple jewelry that you can wear on a daily basis. They have solid gold pieces if you have the budget for it, but also they have gold plated jewelry that has a very thick layer of gold which would make it last for a long time, but the price is quite affordable and relatively low. All their gold plated pieces use a sterling silver base with a thick layer of gold which is 5 times thicker than other gold plated jewelry. So if you're looking for a chic, stylish and dainty jewelry at an affordable price, Linjer got you covered. They also have very nice and elegant silver pieces if you prefer silver over gold. Another thing that I love about this brand is they care about sustainability. They use recycled gold and silver in all their pieces, and even their packaging is from recycled material. Their pieces are super on trend these days and they are even worn by very famous celebrities such as Hailey Bieber and Gigi Hadid. So if you know me, you know I love to wear jewelry on a daily basis, regardless of where I'm going. I think you can just wear a very simple outfit, but adding a touch of silver or gold to your look can really elevate it and kind of spice it up. I tend to wear very simple, elegant, dainty pieces that I can wear on a daily basis. I feel like if your jewelry is really like over the top, it's kind of make it harder to wear it on normal occasions and you kind of neglect wearing them and they just stay in the back of your closet. But if you invest in something that's quite simple and also affordable, you probably reach out to it more often. This brings me to the first piece that I got from Linjer. It's this beautiful pearl earrings. It's called Mother of Pearls. By the way, I put the direct link to all the pieces that I'm showing you in this video in case you are interested to shop the same pieces. These are the earrings that I got from them. I think they are stunning and they are so elegant and easy to wear. I've been looking for a nice pearl earrings because I didn't have one in my collection, and I think pearl is something that's quite timeless and elegant, and it has been around for a very long time and I don't think it would go out of style anytime soon. What I love about it is it's very simple but also could be used as a statement piece. I love to wear it in the evening with a nice blouse or a dress with red lipstick. But at the same time, you can wear it during the day. I can picture wearing it in summer with a neutral color linen shirt. I think it would look really beautiful and elevated. Yeah, as I've been telling you, I have been looking for a nice pearl earrings for quite some time, and I think these are exactly what I was looking for. I love that they are quite weightless. I feel like I'm not wearing anything, which is very nice. I find that some earrings are unnecessarily heavy and they kind of drag my ears down, but these don't do that at all. And on top of that, I have very sensitive ears. So if I wear something that's from cheap material, my ears would quickly show reactions. But so far, I did not have that issue with these earrings. So yeah, I am very pleased with these earrings. I think they are so cute and they match with my complexion and my face shape because they are just a little long. They help to elongate my face, and this is something that I really like. and the pearls are just bright enough to just draw a little attention to them. It's not too much and it's not too little. The next item that I wanted to show you is this beautiful ring, but before that I like to show you their packaging. How cute is this? It's this beautiful pink color with their name on it. This is how it looks like in the front, and let me get it out. I love everything about this brand. I feel like they care about the design of everything, including packaging, their jewelry. So this is the ring I got from them. I love how chunky this ring is, and it's quite a statement piece. This is exactly what I was looking for. You can wear it alone like this, or just pair it with another simple ring that you got. I think it would look really nice when it's stacked with another ring. I can't stop looking at it. This is something that I would not remove it from my finger for quite some time, and you'll probably see it in my future videos. The good thing about it is all my rings are very simple and thin, just like these that you're seeing, but this one is very different, and I think I needed a bit thicker ring in my collection. Again, this ring is also very easy to wear. You can wear it during the day and in the evening for a more dressier option. I think in general, we mostly focus on our face and neck, and we just care about earrings and maybe necklace because it's around our face. And once you talk to someone, these are something that gets the most attention. But if you are like me and you use your hands once you're talking, I think what you wear on your fingers is actually very, very important and could really draw attention. So it's important what you pick for your rings, and it's good to pick an option like this that's quite chunky and adds something fresh and modern to your hands. If you compare my right and left hand, you see that my left hand gets more attention just because it's quite thicker, and as a result it's shinier. It just makes it more elevated and more elegant and just kind of adds something new. The third piece that I want to show you also is actually a ring. Oh my god, this one is so feminine. I love this. This is called Charlotte. Again, I put the link in the description. But this is, oh my god, this is so pretty. It has a very cute white stone. It makes it so feminine. Again, you can wear this one alone, or you can just stack it with another ring. I personally prefer to wear it alone. I like it to shine on its own. I would say this ring compared to the other two pieces that I got from them is more on the dressier side. I like to wear this at night majority of time. I feel like it suits evening looks better, but this is just a personal choice. You can also wear it with casual outfit on a daily basis. I personally prefer to wear rings with stones for like occasions and more for evening looks. I love how dainty this ring is, and at the same time, it's very modern and stylish. It's very simple, but oh my god, I'm speechless. These pieces are so gorgeous. They also have this in silver with blue stone. If you like silver, I think this ring is going to be so beautiful. I am more of a gold person because it just suits my skin color more, but if I want to get a silver ring, this would be my option. I hope you enjoyed this video and like the pieces that I chose. As I said, I'll leave all the details in the description on how to shop these pieces. And also I have a discount code for you guys that I will put in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.